Hey YouTube, Lucas here from Team Ecommerce, and in this video I wanted to show you how to set up a dynamic discount code for your Shopify and Klavyio integration. First things first, why do you want to consider using a dynamic discount code? There are basically two reasons or two main reasons. The first one, it gives a unique touch point or like a unique feeling for the customer if they see something like, I don't know, a random, letter combination instead of welcome 10. It's like really weird if you think about like welcome 10 and then they probably use welcome 15 and welcome 20. And it just gives a unique touch to your customer base. So that's the first thing. And then I think the biggest factor here is that there are more and more Google extensions, websites, plugins, whatever it is, that actually take those discount codes that you use within your flow setup and basically send it to all people who use this Google extension. So for example, I don't know, you are on ASOS and then you have the Google extension, and basically the Google extension pulls out all the discount codes that are available on ASOS and then just put it in, and then you save, like the people that use the Google extension save, I don't know, 10% off, even though they would have purchased without the $10 off because they wouldn't find the $10 off or like 10% off in this case. So basically this allows you to remove your brand from all these discount code sharing platforms, which is a huge thing if you scale up, because yeah, those are they are everywhere. And if you want to, get rid of all this stuff and actually maximize your profits, you want to think about a fully dynamic setup in your backend. So these are the two reasons, but let's actually hop into the Klavyio dashboard and actually show you around and show you how to set up a dynamic discount code. So basically the first thing you do is you just click on coupons here within your dashboard. And then what you want to do is you want to click on create Shopify coupon. I already prepared something here. So in this case, I'll just click on here. If you click on create Shopify code coupon, you will basically get to the same page here. And then you want to put in whatever the name is you want to use. Maybe you want to, in this case, I want to use YouTube, but if you want to remember it, for example, welcome series or welcome or win back, or maybe win back 20, so you're giving 20% off within the win back series. Whatever it is, just find something that you can remember or like someone will remember. In this case, let's just use YouTube. And then the prefix is optional. What this means is that the code that someone gets is a random combination of 8 different letters or numbers. So in this case, a prefix basically, in this case, it would be tube and then 4 different letters and numbers after that. So maybe you want to have a VIP code and therefore people see VIP and then 5 different letters and numbers as a combination after that. You could use that. It's not that important. Don't overthink that. Just use it or not. Then you want to actually put down the discount in and of itself, maybe a fixed amount, a percentage, a free shipping, whatever you want to use. You can also play around with the different settings. In this case, let's use a fixed amount, $50 off on the entire order. You can also click specific products, specific collections, whatever you want to use in this case. And then you require a minimum purchase or not. That's up to you and what you want to do. And also activate dates if you are running, for example, I pretty much the majority of time we just want to use at send time. Maybe you also want to use on a specific date. Well, if you're using that within flows, it doesn't really make sense to use that. But what you can also do is maybe send out a campaign right now saying, hey, this code, you can use it in the next, 5 days, or like in 5 days you can use it. I don't know, maybe you want to use it. I've never used that, but basically at send time usually works best. Expiration, basically when this discount code has to expire, maybe never, maybe on a specific date. Maybe you want to set it up as, a dynamic code within a campaign that runs out on Valentine's Day. So you can set it up, 14th of February, 11:59 p.m. and then therefore it runs out on that time. Or you want to use after a certain number of days and hours. This is typically what you want to use within flows. For example, you run some urgency within your flows, a 48 hours window for a discount code, for a dynamic discount. So you want to set up 2 days, and therefore everything is set up properly now. What you want to do now is you want to update coupon and then go straight to your template or your email design, whatever you want to use. And in this case, I prepared something. Usually all the emails look better than this, but this is just for the video. So basically what you want to do is you want to copy paste this code. I put it in the YouTube description. You can also search up the Klavyio article for that. But yeah, basically You can use this code, copy paste it, and then where I put YouTube, just put your discount code name. So this is what we set up here. Maybe I want to use VIP20 in this case, then I put in VIP20. But here I want to put in YouTube. So basically I put in YouTube, I click on save and exit. And yeah, basically what you want to see here is you want to see your discount name, and then mine is preview. And if there's anything else there, then it doesn't work properly. You have probably done something wrong. So let's say, for example, I forgot an O here. This is how it would look like then. Yeah. See, invalid syntax. That will show you if it's not working. But if you want to make sure that everything is working smoothly and everything is double, triple, quadruple checked, what you can do as well is you just find you save this as a template, test, save it as template, and then you want to look up your profile within your brand. Hopefully you are subscribed to your own newsletter, because that would be weird if not. So in this case, you see my profile, and then what you want to do is you click on messages, and then what you want to click on send email, and then put in whatever you want to, drag and drop builder, and then if it loads, you have to click on continue to email, and then you click on my templates, you click on the template that you just saved, use template, and then now you click on save and exit. You can give it a double check, YouTube preview, schedule and send email, send now, boom. And then now what you can do is you can check your email inbox. So basically here you can see the discount code instead of the preview. So you can see that it's working and everything's working smoothly. And yeah, basically this is everything that you want to set up to have dynamic discount codes within your Klavyio and Shopify integration. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll answer all the comments within this video. And I hope this was insightful and of value to you, and I wish you a wonderful rest of the day.